Have you ever found yourself wondering about the possibilities of making money online? It's a question that crosses the minds of many, especially in today's digital age. The allure of generating income from the comfort of your own home is undeniably strong. Maybe you've come across stories of individuals who've successfully transitioned to working from home, relishing the newfound freedom and flexibility it offers. They set their own hours, work at their own pace, and enjoy a better work-life balance. This isn't just a pipe dream reserved for a select few tech-savvy individuals. It's a tangible and achievable reality for anyone who possesses the willingness to learn, the dedication to take consistent action, and the commitment to persevere through challenges. The internet has revolutionized the way we do business, unlocking incredible opportunities for ordinary people from all walks of life to build something truly remarkable and entirely their own. It's a level playing field where creativity and hard work are the greatest assets. You don't need a prestigious degree from a top university or a substantial amount of capital to get started. Just a reliable computer, a stable internet connection that opens the door to the world, and most importantly, the burning desire to create a brand new stream of income that can transform your life. This comprehensive guide will illuminate the path for you, providing a clear and concise roadmap, step by meticulous step. We'll break down complex concepts into easily digestible information. The alluring idea of earning money even while you're sound asleep is commonly referred to as passive income. It's about creating systems that generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine the incredible feeling of making a sale, generating revenue, and growing your business even while you're relaxing on a well-deserved vacation, soaking up the sun and enjoying life. Or picture yourself spending quality time with your children, being fully present in their lives, all while knowing that your online business is working diligently in the background. It's crucial to understand that building a thriving online business isn't some magical get-rich-quick scheme. It demands dedicated effort, particularly in the initial stages of development and growth. But the hard work, dedication, and strategic planning you invest today have the potential to pay you dividends for months or even years to come, creating a sustainable and long-term income stream. In this guide, we'll delve into and explore two of the most popular and effective ways for beginners to embark on their online income journey and start generating revenue. We'll start with affiliate marketing, a powerful strategy that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. And then we'll move on to setting up your very own online store, giving you complete control over your brand, your products, and your customer experience. This guide has been meticulously designed with beginners in mind, breaking down even the most complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand steps, and providing clear, real-world examples to illustrate each point. My primary goal is to provide you with a crystal-clear roadmap, a step-by-step guide that leaves no room for confusion, so you know exactly how to get started and what actions to take to achieve your goals. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident, empowered, and deeply inspired to take that crucial first step toward building your very own sustainable online income stream and achieving financial freedom. Make a promise to yourself right now to keep an open mind throughout this journey and be fully ready to embrace new concepts, learn valuable skills, and adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. And I, in turn, promise to provide you with practical, actionable advice, strategies, and techniques that you can immediately implement and use to start building your online business today. This isn't just about passively reading information, it's about actively doing, implementing, and putting what you learn into practice to see real results. Each section of this guide will provide you with a crucial piece of the puzzle, and as you progress, the bigger picture of how to build a successful online business will gradually become crystal clear. You'll gain a deep understanding of how all these pieces seamlessly fit together to create a real, sustainable, and profitable online business that can provide you with long-term financial security. So take a deep, calming breath, release any doubts or fears, and allow yourself to get genuinely excited about the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Your transformative journey to unlocking the potential of online profits, achieving financial independence, and building the life you've always dreamed of begins right here, right now, at this very moment. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and get started on this exciting adventure together. Scene transition. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a term you've probably heard thrown around, especially if you're exploring ways to make money online. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down and see how it works. Think of it as recommending products you love and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. It's like being a digital salesperson, But instead of working directly for a company, you're partnering with them. You partner with a company, promote their products through various channels, and get paid a percentage for every successful referral that turns into a sale. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The customer finds a great product, often through your helpful content or recommendation. The company makes a sale, increasing their revenue and expanding their customer base. And you earn a piece of the profit in the form of a commission, rewarding you for your marketing efforts. One of the best parts? You don't have to create products yourself. You also don't have to manage inventory, which can be a huge headache for traditional businesses, or handle shipping logistics. The company takes care of all of that. Your job is to be a trusted source of information, a bridge between the customer and the product, guiding them towards solutions that meet their needs. Companies like Amazon and Temu have huge affiliate programs, offering a wide range of products you can promote. For example, if you love a certain air fryer and find yourself using it all the time, you can write a review on your blog, create a video demonstration for YouTube, and include your affiliate link in the description or within the content itself, and earn a commission when someone buys that air fryer through your unique link. You didn't design or ship the air fryer, you just shared your honest experience and helped someone make an informed decision. This model works so effectively because it's fundamentally built on trust and authenticity. People are far more likely to buy based on genuine recommendations from people they trust, rather than being bombarded by faceless advertisements. To get started, you can create a blog to share your thoughts and recommendations, or build a YouTube channel to showcase products in action, or simply leverage your existing social media profile to share products you believe in with your followers. And the best part is, the startup costs are incredibly low, making it accessible to almost anyone. Affiliate marketing is the perfect first step for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of online business and earn their first dollar online. It's simple to understand and get started with. It's accessible to people from all walks of life, and it's highly scalable as you grow your audience and refine your marketing strategies. So are you ready to learn how to get started and unlock the potential of affiliate marketing? Scene transition. Let's dive in. Ready to start affiliate marketing? The first step is signing up for an affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a great example. Easy to join and widely trusted. Go to the Amazon Associates website, log in with your Amazon account, and fill out some basic info about how you'll promote products. Don't worry if your website or social media is new, just be honest. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. Here you can search for products and generate your unique affiliate links. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. The dashboard also tracks your clicks and earnings. Other programs like Temu work similarly. Look for affiliates or partner program on their sites. Start with 1 or 2 programs that fit your niche. Signing up is a huge milestone. It makes everything real and gives you the tools to start earning. Take this first step, and you're officially in the game. Now you have your affiliate links, how do you get people to click them? The answer? Create genuinely helpful content. People go online for answers and advice. Your job is to provide it. Make a YouTube video showing how you use a product or write a blog post comparing 2 options. Show the value, don't just say buy this. For example, a video called 5 Easy Meals in My Air Fryer demonstrates real benefits and builds trust. Review articles and comparison posts help readers make informed decisions. Consistency is key. Post regularly, even if it's just once a week. Over time, your content library grows, bringing in new visitors and potential customers. This is how you build passive income, one helpful piece of content at a time. Focus on value, honesty, and regular updates. That's the formula for affiliate success. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of online business. It allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. But as you gain experience and confidence, maybe you start to crave more control over your brand, your products, and ultimately, your profits. That's precisely where the idea of launching your own online store comes into play. Think of an online store as your very own digital storefront, a place where you have complete ownership. You get to carefully choose exactly what products you want to sell, meticulously set your own prices to maximize your earnings, and most importantly, build direct, lasting relationships with your customers, fostering loyalty and repeat business. When you take the leap and sell your own unique products, whether they're handmade crafts or carefully curated goods, you get to keep a significantly larger share of the profits, and you're actively building a real, valuable asset that you control. Just imagine taking your already successful blog about sustainable living and ethical consumerism and transforming it into a thriving online store, selling carefully sourced, eco-friendly products directly to your already loyal and engaged audience. The best part is that today, building your own online store is easier, more accessible, and more affordable than it has ever been before. Absolutely no complex coding skills or massive upfront budgets are required to get started. User-friendly platforms and intuitive tools make it incredibly simple to launch a professional-looking and fully functional online store in just a matter of hours. So, don't let the idea of creating your own store intimidate you. Instead, see your online store as the logical and exciting next step in your journey towards achieving true financial freedom and independence. Remember, you're not just passively earning commissions on someone else's products, you're actively building your own unique brand with its own identity and loyal following. The transition from being an affiliate marketer to becoming a fully fledged store owner is a natural and incredibly powerful evolution. Your dedicated audience is already there, waiting and ready to support your new and exciting venture. So, embrace this incredible opportunity to create something that is truly and uniquely your own. Now, let's dive deeper and explore the crucial process of how to effectively choose what products you should sell in your online store. Scene transition. Choosing what to sell is all about finding your niche, a focused area with a specific audience. Don't try to be Amazon. Instead, target a group with shared interests like dog lovers or yoga enthusiasts. Start with your passions and hobbies. When you care about your products, your enthusiasm connects with customers. Look for problems you can solve. People pay for solutions. Check online forums and social media for common complaints or needs. Make sure there's profit potential. Some competition is a good sign. Use tools like Google Trends to see if interest is growing. The best niche is something you love, solves a real problem, and has enough demand to be profitable. Take your time. This decision is the foundation of your store. Scene transition. Once you've picked your niche, how do you get products to sell? Dropshipping is a beginner-friendly option. You list products and suppliers shipped directly to your customers. No inventory, no upfront costs, low risk. Print on demand is perfect for custom designs. Create artwork for shirts or mugs, and partners handle printing and shipping. As your store grows, you might buy products in bulk for higher profits. Start with dropshipping or print on demand to test ideas and minimize risk. Platforms like AliExpress and print-on-demand apps make it easy to get started. Focus on building your brand and marketing. Let suppliers handle the rest. This approach lets you launch quickly and scale as you learn. Now it's time to build your online home, your store. You don't need tech skills. Platforms like Shopify make it easy for anyone to launch a store. Choose a theme, customize it with your logo and colors, and add your products. Shopify handles checkout payments and security. The App Store lets you add features like dropshipping, email marketing, and reviews with a few clicks. Start simple and add more as you grow. There's a small monthly fee, but it's a smart investment in your business. Most platforms offer a free trial. Build your store and get comfortable before you pay. This is your chance to create a real asset and start selling to the world. Take the free trial and start building your dream store today. Your online business is just a few clicks away. We've covered the roadmap, from affiliate marketing to building your own online store, but knowledge alone isn't enough. Action is what matters. Don't get stuck overthinking. Your first attempt won't be perfect, and that's okay. Take one small step today. Brainstorm 5 niches, check out Amazon Associates, or start a Shopify free trial. Each small action builds momentum and turns your dream into reality. Remember why you started: more freedom, control, and financial security. The internet gives everyone a chance to build something for themselves. You have the tools and knowledge. The only thing missing is action. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Take one small step today and another tomorrow. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see what you build. Your future is waiting. Go create it.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button so I can continue publishing, and press the notification bell to receive all that is new. Thank you.